Hey everybody, I am going to do a 4th of July DIY. And I did something like this years ago, before YouTube. And it was with lace. And it was more of a shabby chic look. But I was over, shabby chic just made me think where I saw this. But where I saw this one with the Patriotic material was the Shabby tree. I don't know if you've seen her or not, but she is a ball of energy, and I wish I had a quarter of her energy. With all that being said, I thought it was adorable what she did, and so I thought, you know what, I started thinking back on the one I made with the lace, and I really never thought about putting fabric. I just did lace. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead, and it's really quick, but I thought it was adorable when she did it, so I thought, you know what, I'm going to go ahead and do that myself. And the fabric came from Hobby Lobby, of course. And what you're going to do is you're going to take all you need for this. I mean, it can be very simple. You can go ahead and you can stain this if you want, or you could paint it blue, cream, whatever. I'm leaving it natural. And you need 2 kinds of fabric, and this can be not just for a patriotic theme, it could be for anything. Actually, I think I know what I'm going to make one for, and you probably already know what that's going to be, but I'll just let you keep guessing for a little bit. So you need that, and I might put this in, or from the Dollar Tree, or this little gnome. I'm not sure yet. But all you're going to do is you're going to take a piece of your material, and I'm going to go with the stripes going this way, and you're going to put it into your hoop, okay? And then you're going to take this other piece and you're going to make a pocket. And it acts like, it could be for the front door. I'm not using it for the front door. But it acts like a flower. It's a holder because you're putting a pocket. So anyway, I'm going to go ahead and put the material into the hoop. And the hoop also came from Hobby Lobby. And you can do it whatever size you want. And this is homespun fabric, so it's the same on both sides. This one isn't, but this one is. And this is a 12-inch hoop. Bring it up here. Okay, and I want to decide how much I think what I'm going to do is put this, I'll fold it in half. Give it a finished edge. Okay, so what I'm going to do now is take my scissors. I have to have enough to be able to put it into the hoop. And then I'm just going to let you watch the process to music. gnome. I think that looks cute. And I'll put some more daisies in. But then I like the truck too. I'm going to keep the gnome. I'll put the truck somewhere else. I like it, and there you go. I think this is adorable. You can put a bow on it if you want. I chose not to. You could stencil something on your fabric. You could do something with your Cricut. Whatever your imagination wants, just run with it. But I like the little gnome. I thought that was cute. Guys, until we get together again, remember, the world's a better place because you're in it. Don't ever, ever forget that. I'll talk to you soon. Bye.